In this video, we will explore how Figma's new feature slots work in the Shadcn Studio Figma UI Kit. A slot is a flexible placeholder inside a block that allows you to replace or customize content without detaching any component. Starting with a blank frame, dragging in the card component. This is the default card with a title, description, and a single action button. Now using slots to customize it. First updating the card title and description text directly, then adding multiple components inside the card, an email input, a password input, and additional buttons. Adjusting the spacing between each element to build the layout. By combining multiple slots, we have transformed a simple default card into a fully structured login form, all without detaching a single component. That is the power of slots in Shadcn Studio. Fully flexible, fully non-destructive,